Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Cybersharks. In this video you will learn how to install Waybackurls in Linux system or say Kali Linux. This step is same for all Debian-based Linux like Kali, Parrot or Ubuntu also. This is our Kali Linux server where we will install Waybackurls, so let's follow the steps shows in. First check whether the Waybackurls is installed or not, just by typing this command. Since Waybackurls is not installed, we can see the error message shown here. We will proceed to install the tool. But first, check GoLang is installed or not. We have GoLang installed. If you have not installed GoLang, I suggest you to follow our another video, where I have shown you easiest way to install GoLang. Once GoLang is installed, we will proceed Waybackurls installation. Just follow the steps. Let's install the tool by this command. It will install in seconds, shows some message or no message. Sign installation shows no error. Let's verify the installation. Well, as you can see we do not access Waybackurls from here. Let's change the directory so that we can access Waybackurl from anywhere in the system. We have the tool installed in GoLang folder. Go to GoLang folder, the bin. We have our tool here. Copy the Waybackurls to /usr/local/bin. When copying done, let's verify again. Done. We can access now. Let's verify from root directory. Well done, we can access. Let's find some URLs using this command. Here, we can get some URLs of Google here. That's it, we have installed our tool.